Stop guessing, use JungleScout to uncover your real Amazon earnings. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout currently offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So Amazon hides profit a lot of the time. So if you do all the numbers on Amazon, sometimes there's things missing and there's extra fees that you don't know about. And that's why a tool like JungleScout is so good. They actually bought a profit tool called Fetcher, and then when they purchased it, they implemented it into their own tools. So all you have to do is log into junglescout.com, and then you go to the profit overview. You can connect your Amazon ads to it, your actual Amazon account, and then you can even put your actual products. You can go to manage products tab and put your product costs in here. So whatever you buy your product for. Everything else is automatically calculated. So shipping to Amazon, any refunds, extra Amazon fees, and then it does a total of your actual Amazon profit like it shows right here. So you can see the profit overview. It even has a little tutorial on how it works, but you can see this is from December 1st to December 31st, right? Comparing it to the month before. And we can see the net profit, the net margin is higher. So that was our goal. The units sold might not be the best because this product isn't a holiday product, but the most important thing is having a good profit, and the net margin is higher. So we can see the net margin, net profit was $5,949, which is a 43% profit margin. Can't complain with that profit margin. The revenue you can see is 13,000, the ROI, and then you have the units sold, which is down. So now we can look at it and say, okay, why are the units sold lower? And that's because we increased the price. Since we increased the price, the profit margin was higher. We made more profit, which is awesome. But of course, the sales were a little bit lower. So you can actually see more, and you can dive deeper into it and see where the net profit came from. You can look at the revenue, the costs. So we can see the FBA inbound shipping. This is our current period. This is what increased our costs. We shipped a lot of product into Amazon FBA, $1,600 worth of items, or worth. That's how much the shipping fee was, which is crazy. So this is, again, something we need to look into and see. Did Amazon mess up? Did we put too much weight, or did we just ship in a lot of units? Our PPC fees went way down. So again, if we increased our PPC fee by a little bit, maybe we could have increased our units sold. So that's something else to look into. Our order fees went down, our seller fees, right? And you can kind of look into all of the costs, and also our PPC. So we can see the A costs and how it was 19% and we got it down to 10%. So it looks like in this month of December, compared to November, we were really doing a cost savings, increasing price, lowering A costs, and maximizing profit, which is the most important part, one of the most important parts about a company. If you're not making profit, it's hard to stay in business. So this tool is really, really good. You can also look at the multi-product view and look at every single product one by one and see what's good about it, what's profitable, which one is losing you money, which one's making you money, and go from there. So this is a great tool that I recommend every seller have. And I do have JungleScout, I have Helium 10, Smart Scout, AMZ Scout, and I do like JungleScout's profit overview. It's very, very simple and clean. Now, if we're staying towards the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you every tool that JungleScout currently offers. So we can go to the manage products, and they have a listing builder to help you improve your listing. FBA reimbursements, if you send inventory into Amazon, Amazon always loses inventory. They're gonna help you get that money back. Inventory manager to make sure you stay in stock. Product and costs. Then they have a review automation, so you can automatically ask customers for a review. You can see total requests sent worth 4,000. Net new reviews, 4.23. Average rating of all products. Total time saved, right? So it's an awesome tool that I do recommend you use. Keyword optimization, so Keyword Scout, keyword lists, and rank tracker. It's great tools so you can improve your SEO on Amazon and look at your competitors. If you want to launch a new product, they have the suppliers tab which is the supplier database, supplier tracker, and then also product research, of course. So product database, opportunity finder, product tracker, category trends, sales estimator, and then their new tool is competitive intelligence, where you can actually talk to this AI device that's pretty much going to help you sell on Amazon, optimize your listings, answer questions, and things like that. If you're interested in this tool, there is a link and a discount in the description, right? But it's up to you on what you want to do. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing your profit, lowering your ACoS, PPC management, or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in our description. And our #1 service is our full Amazon account service. We'll come in, we'll manage your entire account, make sure that your PPC ACoS is decreasing, ROAS is increasing, also managing your customer service, your inventory, designs, listing optimization, and much, much more. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for our full A to Z account management service. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.